At times, cottage life doesn't come with all of the conveniences of home. Well, this one does, and so much more. Let's start outside with this impressive in-ground pool. New concrete patio around the pool, brand new steel roof, Trex decking, and glass railing.
You've just found another yellow chair. We sell cottages, and it's showtime.
I mentioned some of the outside improvements, which represent over $200,000 in recent investments, but more about that in a moment.
We've got a walkout bungalow basement finished on both levels. Let's go inside. With all this extensive concrete and patio, this will be your everyday entrance.
And a kitchen that you would find at home. Solid wood cabinets with soft closed doors, an impressive great room and dining area with a walkout to the Trex decking and glass railing with an unobstructed view of the lake. A primary bedroom with access to the in-ground pool. What a treat. This one comes with a walk-in closet and access to the main bathroom. Two additional bedrooms on the main level, and I got a special bonus for you in the back room.
We're back at that everyday entrance, and I left something out.
For days that you're not out on the water, you got this. Complete with skylight number 2. And what a remarkable view. Jim, what's next?
Finished basement. Let's go.
As we mentioned, a walkout basement with a view. And as to the things you're used to at your current home,
you get it all. A sauna, a guest bedroom with a 4-piece bath, another 3-piece bath, a laundry, and a large storage area.
even the side yard is nicely landscaped. You know, some of the days when you're at the cottage and it's pouring rain, well, at this cottage from the walkout basement, you can be outside with this covered porch. The hot tub is included and fully functional. And we have to mention this pool installation again. The lifestyle that you can enjoy here is second to none. You have sun or shade options on this elevated Trex decking. And that glass railing, yeah, that was by design.
And every boating setup needs one of these, but that's for the end of the season. There's lots of season left. And any day is a great day to go yachting.
This home on the lake is ready for you to just move in. For more information on lot 612 or to book a private viewing, visit ConestogoLake.com.
Or just follow the big yellow chairs. They're everywhere. We're the Reitzels, and we sell cottages.